Meet Commander Grimm. 32 years old, born to a family of haulers out of the Aranan system, Grimm grew up among cargo crates and jump coordinates. By day, he's a respected pilot for hire, running trade routes and charting the farthest edges of the bubble. But by night, or whenever the frameshift drive cools, Grimm transforms into the galaxy's most unlikely chef, cooking up dishes from rare goods he's smuggled, mined, or bargained for in starport bars. From Lavian brandy-glazed roasts to Ngadandari fire pepper stews, he turns his ship's compact galley into a five-star kitchen, all while dodging pirates, scanning systems, and filing those ever-annoying docking requests. Balancing fuel scoops and frying pans, interdictions and infusions, Grimm navigates a double life, uncovering forgotten recipes from distant worlds, feeding friends and strangers alike, and proving you can save the day and still serve dinner on time. He's not just a commander, he's a cook with a course plotted straight for flavor.